All right. Welcome to another live learning session. I'm your host, Eugen Tang, and today we're going to deploy this Flask app that we've created to a production server. So if you remember, I'll just catch you up on what's going on. So here we have like the auth methods. I should probably change the title of my videos to like what they actually are about instead of just like part one, part two. Anyway, sorry. We got like the auth methods that we created, the blog that we created, the database, the schema, the SQL schema, sorry, for the database. It tells you the user and the post, the create app. I'm going to get rid of this now since we're not using it. And then we created the tests with, like the app and the client and the auth, and then like some data to put into our database. And we tested the auth, the unit tests. These are unit tests. The auth, the blog, the database, and we created a factory for testing it. And then to set up our Flask app for production, we have like a setup stuff, setup.py, a setup config, manifest. And we've already and we put it into a wheel as well, and I've already installed it. So this is the command that installs it. So if you remember, last time we tried to use Waitress and it just was not working. So we're gonna switch to Gunicorn because it's more popular, and I've seen it used in like real. Like I've used it like in like a real like production environment, like for work, like I don't know, professionally, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so we're gonna get Unicorn. So pip install Gunicorn. So first I'm gonna uninstall Waitress. Yes. So the beautiful thing about programming is that you can read code online and tutorials online and then just be like, you know what? I'm not going to make it that way because I don't care. Because your job as a software engineer is not to use certain technologies, but to get certain things to work. So, yeah, let's get Unicorn and let's hope that it works. And let's see. Let me just pip freeze. Let's just make sure that we have our installed. Yes, we do. We have Flask installed. Yep. So what we need to do is we need to run Gunicorn. Let's see. Gunicorn /w 4. I don't know what this means actually. So let's Gunicorn options. Oh, maybe we can just use help. Let's see what Gunicorn help tells us. It's a long command. Okay. Workers and the number of workers. So 4 workers. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Don't need to do this. Okay, so Gunicorn -w4, and we're gonna import the app. So Flasker, and what do we call this? Create app. And oh wow, this was simple. Okay, well now we're gonna go to the. Oop, that's not the right window. We're gonna go to the right window. And we're gonna test out in production. So I pasted it here into 8,000. So we're logged in as test users. So let's log out. Let's register as. Oops, let's not register first. Let's log in first as test user. I don't need this. Okay, so let's make a new post. What the heck just happened? Oh, that's Alexa. Okay. Title, we just deployed to production. Yay. Body. Let's just do yay. Okay. Cool. And we're also going to edit this to make sure this works. Fusion is awesome. That's me. I'm Fusion. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And now we're going to log out. And hey, look, we can still see the blog. So the way that this blog currently works, this Flasker blog, is that it's multiple users can make posts, and all of the posts show up on your front screen, but only the users that are logged in only the users that are logged in and made the post can edit them and delete them. So we're going to register another user, 111 test. 111 test. Yeah, I'm using the same password as the username. Generally, this is bad practice and you don't want to do this, but you know, this is just, did I do 3 ones or 4 ones? I don't know. We're going to find out. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is kind of embarrassing. Got it. Okay, and see, we can't edit this one, but we can make a new post. Post by a new user. Hoorah. The wheels on the bus go round and round. And there you go. So now if we log out, we can see this. We can log in as test user. And we can edit this post, but we can't edit that one. So that's pretty much it. This is a pretty quick one. I think in the future, we're going to take a look at how to do things like put Flask into like just different, like adding different things to Flask, to be honest. I think we're going to do adding probably the Google user management, Cognito, the AWS user management, probably the Azure user management. Probably going to start messing around with cloud stuff and interacting with the cloud. And then we'll probably do Redis so that Redis with Flask so that we can also do cache management. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and peace out.